Stop acting as though I'm dying. I'm not dying. It's just 1 month. I'm sure after your extension, which won't take time, you pick your things and move down to Monaco. So don't act this way.
Maybe it's not that easy. Our ally is very wicked. He's the reason for my extension. But baby, you have always said you love me, right?
I do.
Stay with me just for a while. Then you can go back, please.
You know, if I could, I would, honestly. But now I already have plans and my parents are waiting because of the things we have to do, okay? So I need to travel. If you had told me, I probably would have made plans for that. But not to worry. I'll call you every day, okay? I'll miss you more.
You should call me.
Sure will.
Always.
Yes, I need to run along now. I have a flight to catch.
Alright, baby.
Alright, baby. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Mom.
Come here.
My son is back. Oh my God.
Oh no.
Welcome, my friend.
Thank you. Good to see you.
I told you.
Oh,
my son is finally a graduate.
yeah, I'm a graduate now. Thank you, Mom.
And my brother is now a full-grown man.
Thank you so much, Ola. But the truth is, I've always been a man. Unlike you, I was trained by my father right from a very young age to grow up and be a responsible man because I have a huge responsibility and a future ahead. Right, Dad?
Yes. The prowess of a king never hides.
Exactly.
My son is a graduate. Let's celebrate. Let's be merry.
Mom, this food is awesome.
Thank you. You like it?
I like it. You don't know how much I've missed your cooking.
Making me blush. I helped prepare it.
You did not.
I did, Oscar. She fried the chicken.
Real?
Yeah.
It's quite spicy. Okay, I give you your credit.
Ozochukwu,
You did.
Yes, Dad.
you would resume work in the company. Henceforth, you will take charge of the family business. And I want you to take full and responsible decisions.
Okay, Dad. I promise to make you proud.
Thank you. And
Your Highness. Let him be. I made this meal he's enjoying now especially for him. Let him enjoy it first. Ah, you do this, you do that, you do this, one at a time. Mother.
as your majesty pleases.
You're welcome.
How I've missed this.
Enjoy my son. Anytime.
Chuka, what happened? Chuka, why are you crying? What did this up? Hey, talk to me. What did happen? What did this up?
What's this up now? Why you cry?
I just remember my guy. My real guy. Guy with the run things together. 5 and 6. That's what I'm saying about the play. If I play guitar, you go to sing for me. You go to sing. Streets forget it. If you say this guy dey alive now, for they happy. Nobody feel the doing.
Tito, what's in the work you? What's in your problem? Why do you behave like this? You cry because of your friend will die. That's one in the past. We all have what these to talk about. Now as they cry, now what about my friend the Afam? What about our brother who lost his own blood? Flesh and blood. From the womb, he lost his brother. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do now?
Why are you guys taking me aback? Why are you taking me aback?
I never meant it last way, please. I'm sorry. Sorry. Hey, ma. Afam.
My son, you're of age to get a wife. What are you waiting for?
So, this is what has been bothering you all the while?
Of course.
I promise you I will bring you one soon.
When will that be? Because I want to have grandchildren.
Of course you will.
Anyway, in case you have not found any, I have found one beautiful one for you, and you will love her when you see her.
Brother, when you see this particular girl Mom's is talking about right now, you will buy me a gift. A very expensive gift though.
You already found one for me.
Exactly. Because you're wasting time.
Till I meet her.
Is that a promise you're going to marry her when you see her?
I'm not making any promise yet. I just said till I get to see the person.
Anyway, I'm happy that you're thinking in the same direction I am thinking.
Thank you.
I can be at peace with myself.
Yeah, you should. I promise you I'll bring you a daughter-in-law soon.
Adana is here. The long-awaited visitor.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my darling. You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
So how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
How are your parents?
Yeah, very much.
Look at her. She's so beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am.
I told you, Mom. Welcome to my home.
Thank you.
Okay. Follow me upstairs. Everybody's waiting. That's so nice. In fact, I am not disappointed one bit. I don't know.
My queen.
I hope you're enjoying yourself.
Of course, my queen.
Why won't she enjoy herself when she's dining on the royal table with the prince, the queen, and the princess of Umaga Kingdom?
Oh my God. Olamma, you can never change. Even during our secondary school days, she does such things in class.
Never mind, I hope you came with some extra clothes. But if you didn't, don't worry. The prince here will take you for shopping so that you can get some more beautiful clothes. Because I would want you to spend 1 extra week with us before you return back to your parents.
As it pleases you, Your Majesty.
Thank you. Also, hope you oblige me that.
Of course, why won't he?
That's good. I love that. No silence means consent. Sorry.
Adanna. Do you love me?
Of course, from the bottom of my heart.
Can you prove that?
Anytime, any day.
Meaning you can do anything I ask you to.
As it pleases you, my prince. I will.
Okay. Okay. Bark like a dog. Louder. Louder.
What is happening in this palace? Did anyone bring in a dog into the palace?
I should be asking you that.
Well, maybe it's from the neighbors.
My love, this one is too close.
Back into the bathroom.
can cry for love, I can fight for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. I can fight for love, I can cry for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. Every time that you call, I'll be there for you. Every time that you want me, I'll be there.
That's the girl you want me to get married to.
So true.
No self-esteem. She has a very low assumption of herself. She doesn't even have a mind of her own. And you want me to get married to her?
What happened?
I won't get married to her.
No, now it hasn't gotten to this.
I said I will not get married to her, Mom. Start packing again.
Is that what you made her do?
Indeed, I made her do
My heart, my soul will never give up on love. Helele, helele, mama. There's a change in the air, I know. There's a battle I must win. Yeah. Helele, helele, mama. My heart, my soul will never give up on love. Helele, helele, mama. There's a change in the air, I know. There's a battle I must win.
Adana, why are you crying? What happened?
I overheard your brother telling your mother, the queen, that he will not marry me.
But I thought you guys were getting along.
I thought so too.
It's okay. It's alright. But do you have an idea why he's refusing you?
No.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. It's okay. Sorry. Stop crying.
I am Igwe Modi, the Lion King of Umago Kingdom. I have never been frightened in my entire life like I was last night. I summoned the entire household to unravel the mystery of what took place here last night. Listen, I don't believe in witchcraft. I don't have a dog in this palace, but one was barking here last night. I heard it. Now don't tell me I did not hear it. I heard it. So did the queen.
Your Highness, we also heard the sound. So we checked everywhere around the palace to be sure where the sound was coming from. Only for us to discover the sound was coming from inside the palace.
I thought as much. I knew it.
Let us save ourselves the stress. It was Adana who was barking in my room last night like a dog.
What?
Yes. Not just that, she did so many other things. And that's the reason I told mother here that I would not marry her.
But were you not the one that asked her to back?
Does she not have a mind of her own? If I ask her to back, she'll begin to back. Is that it? Really? It didn't occur to her she was disturbing the whole royal household and the neighborhood. That's how I'll get married to her, and she'll come here and make everybody uneasy. And we will not rest in this palace again.
You're right, son. I decree that you leave this palace now.
Your Highness. My goodness.
He said you should leave the palace and you're kneeling down.
It's okay now.
Hey! Madam! Hey! Small madam, don't come back here.
Hey, mommy.
Hey! Mommy, they inside. Hey!
Mommy!
Yeah, take your bread.
Hey!
Hey!
Susanna! 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 Mommy, I carry you!
Come on, I can carry you!
See my daughter! See my daughter! Yes, I miss you so much. Yes, you do. Yes, you. I am not a graduate. Yes. Papa, sure. How? Give me those steps again. Give me those steps again. Oh!
Auntie, I can give bread. You promised me
No
that.
problem. I'll buy you bread, not now, later. Mommy!
I always buy for my coffee man.
Let's go inside. Don't worry. I owe you that.
I don't get bread. This bread, when you promise yourself will give me if you come back, I don't get bread. You not give me now. This one, that's it. Every time, you just there. You want just to carry bag, drag everything, you come out. Reverse. No problem. But madam, you give me that get bread, though. Only now they give me this bread for this house. Anytime they come back, no problem. Bread. Madam go just dey. You dey do bread. If madam no dey fat, don't go fair man, go chop fair man, come back. Don't dey fat. Cheap, no. Everywhere. That thing we buy last time still dey. You go give me make I take am till they drink the tea in the morning. Make I dey fat like you. No problem.
The man, the Makoa Afam. Rugged you, my brother. Thursday, man. Rugged.
Where's Bread?
I've not seen him yet. I don't know. Let's say in the road. IDP though. I tell you. Like that. I did like that. D.
I did be now. Very good.
You know what? My sister just came back from NYC.
Ah!
She's done with schooling.
Man, Dad! Man, congrats, man. Congrats. In fact, make her put one shot for her. All the merry-go-roundy, all the lecturers. One shot for your sister. They tell you, you know it's you. To finish what? Hey, man we sabi. Man we sabi. Man we sabi. Man we sabi. Rugged. Rugged.
My market.
At all.
How many rounds?
12 rounds.
This one I confirm. And I know say strong man need a for protection.
And for division.
Action and subtraction.
I tell you.
Who effort.
Even elimination. Shaky.
I'm not waiting to stop.
So
I need to build my family. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Family man. I did be there.
Phones.
How about you drive phone?
Phones.
How about attire for you?
My market to the back.
Attire for you.
My market to the back.
Attire for
My market to the
you.
back.
Man, we sabi.
My market to the back.
We'll shake it out.
After we do. We do.
We do.
My market to the
It's
back.
time to elevate, man.
My market to the back.
It's time to elevate.
Susan, you've been behaving strange. Where is everybody? Why did you call me?
Afam, you are the only brother and sibling I have left in this whole world. Why don't you want to repent from your old ways? Why? You were a school dropout today because of your stubbornness. We lost our dear brother, Obinna, as a result of cultism. Please, Afam, I'm begging you in the name of God Almighty. Change from your old ways. Change this lifestyle of yours and see what the future has for you. Please. As you can see, our father is no more. You should be the one running his company. Please. Please.
She saw it. The reason she was advising me.
Don't be angry, Uzo. I don't know, my friend told me you asked her to bark like a dog and lie down in your bathroom. Don't you think she did all that to respect you?
Point of correction, I didn't ask her to lie down in my bathroom. I only put her to a test and she failed woefully. Moreover, I don't like her.
Would you have rather she disrespected you?
If she loved me genuinely for me, she wouldn't have done that. Knowing fully well that barking like a dog would unsettle every single person in this palace. I think she just likes me because I'm royalty.
But why were you pretending like you really liked her?
I did that to fulfill all righteousness. You and Mom were on my neck, and I needed you off my back. To even think both of you were actually planning for me to marry somebody? Like I had no say in my own marital affair, really? Anyways, I have a surprise for you.
Wow. A surprise.
I can cry for love, I can fight for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. I can fight for love, I can cry for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. It's a lie. Every time that you call, I'll be there for me. It's a lie. Every time that you want me, I'll be there. It's a lie. It's a lie. It's a lie. I will cry. I will fight for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. I will fight for love. I will cry for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. It's a lie. time that you call, I'll be there for you. Every time you call, I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be there I can cry for love, I can fight for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. I can fight for love.
Who do we have here?
I can cry.
My lovely, beautiful baby.
My baby.
How have you been? Missed you more. You sure you did? Sorry.
Sorry.
Meet my younger sister, Princess Ola.
Oh, nice to meet you, my darling. I've heard so much about you. Right? Yeah. Same here. She's beautiful. And I can perceive she has a nice heart too.
Much more than that.
Thank you.
In fact, she's my bride-to-be.
I'm no one without you, baby. You know that.
You know you're my life, right?
I love you.
Love you more. Come, let's go inside so you can see my parents.
All right.
We'll see mommy and daddy.
Okay.
Okay, let's rise and make a toast.
Well, as we drink, may joy and peace remain with us. May sorrows depart from us. Our son, the crown prince of the kingdom of Umuago, has found his heart throb. May he enjoy in due course marital bliss.
Cheers.
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 My daughter is born. Cheers. Welcome.
Thank you, Ma. Thank you.
Cheers.
Mommy, I'm so happy.
Really?
Yes, I am.
La la la.
My boyfriend just proposed.
Wow!
Yes.
Let me see.
He's
I'm so happy. And these people.
They're his guards.
Really?
Yes, mommy.
Hey! Nne, I'm so happy. And they brought all these for us.
Yes. You can see for yourself. He's a prince. The prince of Umuaga Kingdom. The son of King Amu.
Hey! Hey!
Yes, mommy.
Hey! Hey! Come on. Bring them. Come on in. Nne. Woo! This is good. This is good.
Bobby, now we be say twos don't day. Waiting be the next level.
My guy, I've been thinking. But what it come my mind be say, I won't go back to that campus, make I go trace the root of that capone.
One day.
And if I catch him,
There's a change in the air, I know. There's a battle I must win. Helele, helele, mama. My heart, my soul, we never give up on love.
Something want to happen, Dodori my. Another thing want to happen, Dodori my. Something want to happen, Dodori ma. Something want to happen, Dodori ma. It go happen again, yo, Dodori ma. Something want to happen,
Dodori ma. I can cry for love, I can fight for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. I can fight for love, I can cry for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. It's a lie. Every time that you call, I'll be there for you. It's a lie. Every time that you want me, I'll be there. It's a lie. It's a lie. It's a lie. I will cry for love. I will fight for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because.
Mommy!
Oh! You're welcome.
Thank you, man. Good to see you, man.
Prince of Umago Kingdom.
Yes, man.
Son of my beloved king. You're welcome.
Thank you, man.
The other day, you sent something. I got it. Thank you.
Thank you, man. That's just a tip of the iceberg. My mother-in-law to be is as good as my mother, so I'll still do more.
It's okay, it's alright. You know what? My daughter told me about your favorite meal. Guess. I prepared it.
You told her already?
I did.
So let's go inside. Let's go inside.
Wow. You know, the best way for a wife to win her husband's heart is through his stomach. And a good woman knows exactly what food the husband needs at any time. This is exactly what I need now. Nobody should join me on eating alone.
For what? I desire to eat with my husband.
Go ahead. This is absolutely delicious.
Thank you, my prince.
Thank you. I trust you.
So where's Afam?
Oh, Afam. He's gone to his friend's place. He won't be back till tomorrow.
Oh, that's cool. We can only see some other time.
Sure you will. You'll meet him. Mommy's food is nice.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Mom, you don't want to join us?
No. That's why I have enough of them there.
Wow. Wow. Your mom is a super chef.
I know.
Thank you.
I'm going to enjoy more of this because I know you are.
Of course, I'll make more for you. Mommy. Mommy, I hope you like him.
I like him. He's kind and caring. He'll make a good husband.
Yes, Mommy, he will. I'm so glad you like him.
But.
But what?
Assam, I wasn't comfortable when you were telling the prince about Afam's person.
Mommy. Let's go inside. Let's go!
Boy, don't do. Man, I just have to come and see you. Oh boy, as I see you just now, I don't go way back. Nicola! See my guy. Afam. True. Who was he rebels?
I'm fine. Are you? In truth, I am. Prince visited. He was longing to see you. Quite unfortunate you weren't around. Yeah, he wanted to. I didn't know. He was already close to the house before I knew about it. I thought you would have returned before he left. I'm sorry about it. Don't worry, you'll get to meet him. Well, it's fine. Alright, see you.
Oh boy, I dey feel this on a village.
Hey, Afam.
Oh boy.
See how it's salt fresh.
Don't say now.
Afam now, your family.
But everybody they can pay. You know, Susan Susan just called me just now. My sister now. Nekula. She won't marry you.
To who?
One prince. The prince of Umago Kingdom.
Hey, last, royalty don't come your doorsteps.
As posterity may have it. Oh, boss. Mekula. I'm not just carry come. Get waiting make I find you come. I dey find the killer of my brother. I dey find Kapu.
Eh? Afam, man don't dey old now. Why you no go let sleeping dog lie?
I no go let sleeping dog lie. Mikula, my nerves they do me make I pull the trigger before I surrender completely. I must kill his killer before I drop the gun. Mikula, I beg. Find his whereabouts for me.
Afam, I know they game again. I know they game again for this guy pattern.
Nikula, not be you again. You won't be sniffer dog. You when they enter any corral, you go see come out. I beg. Nikula, I beg. Make call. Find contacts. Make calls. I know what you fit do. Now why find you come? Nikula, I beg. I beg. Find his whereabouts for me.
I don't know.
What you they talk so?
And friends tell me say after graduation, say go join enter Canada.
Nikula, beg. Find contact. Find contact for me now. Why you do like this? I beg.
Afam. I know they game again.
I don't expect this kind of yash from you.
Go! You will get born with silver spoon before you utilize them now.
Bekula, you won't tell me say this waka when I waka na yeye waka. Bekula, I travel all the way, find you come inside here. You won't tell me say na yeye waka.
Afam, see, this matter don't tell. Just die am now. I mean, by now, I expect say if you don't change your lifestyle now.
Because not be you wear the shoe. You know where the shoe they pain me. You know what this guy don't cost my family. My mama don't even develop high blood pressure for this matter. Guy, I promise Obina for his side coffee so I go avenge your death. Now fine you come, you the yano pata.
Afam, calm down. I understand, eh? You don't do. May just calm down.
Now go find me.
Afam. Afam. Afam.
It's always so good to see you, you know.
Same here, darling. You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama, for the warm hospitality.
Thank you too.
And thank you for taking very good care of her.
You're looking so good today.
And you too, thank you. So, how about your brother?
He'll soon be out.
Oh, he's home?
He's inside, yeah.
Okay.
I'm sorry for the delay, my prince.
This is my fiance, the love of my life. The only man I've always told you about. Uzo, this is Afam, my elder brother.
Let's go. Now, open the gate.
Baby! Baby! What is happening?
Let's go inside.
Please wait.
My soul will never give up on love. Helele, helele, mama. There's a change in the air, I know. There's a battle I must win. Yeah. Helele, helele, mama. My heart, my soul will never give up on love. Helele, helele, mama. There's a change in the air, I know. There's a battle I must win. Can you hear me? Helele, helele, mama. Mama. Helele, helele, mama. Mama. Helele, helele, mama. Helele, oh, oh, oh. Helele, helele, mama. My heart, my soul will never give up on love. Helele.
Afam, what happened today? Today, you are the only person that can explain it. So I need an explanation now.
What is going on here? I mean, I don't understand. Mother is asking you a question and you wouldn't talk. Why are you mute? Can't you say something?
Mom, there is no problem. But as for the marriage, it is settled and sealed forever and ever. It won't work. Yes. So Susan, you better look for something else to do with your life.
Really? Now it is very obvious to me that you've lost your sanity. You have lost your sense of time. What is wrong with you? I mean, why can't you live your life and allow me to live mine? Why? What is wrong with you, this madman?
Oh, calm down, just calm down, calm down. Will you shut up?
And let me get to the bottom of this. You are blabby. Away from the Maggie.
Afam!
Afam!
Mommy, what is the meaning of this? Please, you have to talk to your son. He has no right to choose my life partner for me. He doesn't have that right. You better talk to him more. It doesn't work like that. I won't take it. I won't.
Ola, have you spoken to your brother today?
No, Mom. He has refused speaking with anybody since he came home. I even pressured him to speak to me, but he has remained resolute without any utterance.
What is eating Uzo up? What is bothering him? Is it the next level? Getting into marriage? But that shouldn't be a problem to him. That's not why he should walk past me without saying a word of greeting to his own mother. Me, of 4 people. It's not done anywhere. Your Highness. Your Highness. You're sleeping.
I was sleeping and I had a dream. And in the dream, 2 nations were fighting.
What?
The younger was about to defeat the older nation. What could this mean?
That's serious. Your Highness wouldn't know. Maybe we should invite Agaba the dream teller so that he'll be able to interpret the dream to you.
That's very thoughtful of you. I hope all is well in the palace.
Your Highness, all is not well in the palace.
Uzo came into the palace and wouldn't speak with anyone. I persuaded him to talk to me, but it was as though he was alone in his room. He couldn't even see me.
Your Highness, all is not well. To add to what she said, today is the first day in this palace Uzo walked past me without saying a word of greeting to me. Maybe I think it's the marriage thing that is eating him up.
Then let's conclude this marriage arrangement. Lolo, I leave all the arrangements with you. Discuss it with him, but not now. Perhaps later in the evening. Yes, for now, let him be. Okay?
Father, I don't think that's the problem.
I can cry for love. I can fight for love. The moment you called, the reason I came is because of love. I can fight for love. I can cry for love. The moment you called, the reason I came is because of love. Ifanaya. Every time that you call, I'll be there for you. Ifanaya. Every time that you want me, I'll be there. Ifanaya.
I would tell you that I love you tonight.
I can cry for love. I can fight for love. The moment you called, the reason I came is because of love. I can fight for love.
have worries written all over your face. I hope all is well.
All is not well. Our son says he's not ready for the marriage yet.
Why?
He didn't tell me his reasons. Maybe you should ask him and find out his reasons. Talk to him, please.
Okay. I'll talk with him. It's not a problem.
I want to go rest my head.
Do you want anything?
No, just to rest. Thank you.
Achalu go wine. OBDA. Oh, Mali Cham.
I say you drive somebody crazy.
I'm coming upstairs.
Come and do what? I said I'm tired. I need to rest, not with you.
It's about to rain, you know. Do, yeah.
Stop!
My angel of the night.
Are you coming upstairs?
I am. You know I will. Come in. Come in.
Come in. Your Highness. You're here, Father.
Uzochukwu.
Yes, Dad.
What is happening?
Like what?
Uzochukwu, don't give me question for an answer. What did you tell your mother?
Oh, about the marriage issue. I told her I need some more time, Dad. Marriage is a lifetime commitment. It's deeper than we think. Marriage is something you have to ponder and think over before you dabble into. That's all I told her.
Is that all?
Yes, Dad.
Are you sure?
Of course I am.
Okay. I've had you.
Your Majesty, your face is not looking bright at all. Is anything the matter?
Your Majesty, whatever it is, take it easy. It will surely come to pass.
Your Majesty, we, your subjects, have always been loyal to you. Talk to us. If any of us has offended you, please, temper justice with mercy. Talk to us.
You are the Ngiche. I summoned the meeting. You ought to be here. But here I am, sitting, waiting for you.
But, Your Majesty, we've been here before you.
We'll be waiting for you.
Oh no. Igwe, you are the custodian of culture and tradition. If you are conversant with culture and tradition, you would have seen the guard stationed at the entrance to the throne room. This meeting is over.
Your Majesty.
I will reschedule another date and time.
Why? You have refused to eat. You have refused to take your bath. Not even changing your clothes. I cannot bear this anymore. I have asked you severally, and you have refused to listen to my plea. What is it that you cannot tell your mother? You no longer have respect for your mother. Why?
Mommy, how can I be suffering over something I know nothing about? Afam has refused to tell me what the problem is. And my man, Uzo, he hasn't been taking my calls. A man I'm supposed to get married to. Mommy, how do you want me to feel? What kind of torture is this? Mommy, please.
What is this? I can take any other thing from you, but definitely not this one. Afam, will you quit that thing now? Drop that cigarette, put it off! I said put that thing off! Afam, why don't you emulate your father? He never smoked when he was alive. Yes. I've asked you severally. When this smoke reeks out of you, you know what you do? You tell me lies. You said you sat with smokers. Afam, this will be the last time I see this thing in this house. And as for Susanna and Uzo...
Hey, Mom, don't even go there. Don't go back to that matter again. For me to stop this marriage is best known to me. Nobody should tell me anything whatsoever. As for that marriage, it won't work. I don't want that man to marry my sister.
Afam, my son, I am your mother. You are my son. I know there's nothing you can't tell me. So please, my son, tell me what the problem is.
Mom, the problem is best known to me. I'm the man of this house now that Daddy is no more. Mom, I have right to take certain decisions.
It is obvious that this is beyond me.
There's a change in the air, I know. There's a battle I must win. Yeah. heart, my soul. We never give up on love. Helele, helele, mama. There's a change in the air, I know. There's a battle I must win. Can you hear me? Helele, helele, mama. Mama. Helele, helele, mama. Mama. Helele, helele, mama. Helele, oh, oh, oh. Helele, helele, mama.
Igwe.
It entered. It's good.
Yes, in fact, it's the original label. I actually got it from my last trip in London.
I trust you. He's strong. Igwe.
With respect to the marriage ceremony of our Prince Uzo, what is the latest development? I mean, what is he saying about the girl you told us about that he wanted to marry?
Oh no.
Igwe.
Prince Uzo says that he needs a little more time.
Time? What for? Igwe, Prince Uzo is not getting any younger. Moreover, we in the community, we are already gearing up for the ceremony. You know, our minds are made up already.
Oh no.
Igwe.
It will surely come. I assure you.
Well, if you say so, Igwe.
But if you ask me,
If I may remind you, according to our tradition, any prince from Umagu Kingdom must get married before he's 40.
Oh no.
Igwe.
Let's just wait and see.
Well, if you say so, Igwe, you are the Igwe now. Can I try this again?
Sure.
This
More.
is good.
I know.
From London.
I can cry for love. I can fight for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. I can fight for love. I can cry for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. It's love. Every time that you call, I'll be there for you. It's love. Every time that you want me, I'll be there. It's love. It's love. It's love. I will cry for love. I will fight for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. I will fight for love. I will cry for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. Every time that you call, I'll be there for you. Every time you want
Susan is the one calling you. Why don't you want to pick up her calls? Also, this is absurd. Eh? I know you haven't been picking up her calls for days now. And it's driving her insane. Come on, Uzo. It's unfair. You have been acting strange. You haven't told anyone what the problem is. Neither have you tried resolving it. What is the problem? Tell me.
I just need to be alone. I have a lot going on.
This is what you always say.
No, man.
Nine.
Ever since our brother, your late husband, died, this is the first time you are coming home. It is not fair. We know a tool does not come out in the day for nothing. There's something serious. What is it?
Our brother has spoken well. Norma, we know you as a good wife, even to our late brother. We have no grudges against you. What makes you to come back?
Osondo, go straight to the point.
Which point?
Go straight to the point, Osondo. If you cannot discern the problem, I, Aleka, I know it. It is all about Afam, the stubborn person, the black sheep of the family.
What are all this? Why don't you people allow her to say her plight? Norma, please, tell us.
Nan, Ekenemu.
No.
I greet you all, my husbands. First, I want to apologize for not coming back home all this while. Secondly, I want to thank you all for understanding. The reason is Afam.
I said it. I said it. Didn't I? You said it. Didn't I?
Aleka, any more word from you, I will ask you to go outside and wait.
Man, Afam has been a changed man. He is no longer rough.
Okay.
The only thing he has not changed from is his smoking habit. A prince proposed to Suzanne. One day he visited and...
Sorry for the delay, my prince.
This is my fiance, the love of my life. The only man I've always told you about. Uzo, this is Afam, my elder brother.
Let's go.
Oh, now! Open the gate! Baby! Baby! What is happening?
Let's go inside.
Wait. Norma, what you are telling us is that Afam has a gun. This is serious.
This is serious. What do you expect from a stone-hearted somebody like him? Eh? A stubborn catalyst.
Afam is our son. We have to call him to order.
Nani, please. Please. Please, I beg you, do. Please.
No, ma, it's okay. He is still our son. We cannot push him away from us. We will call him to know the reason behind his problem with the prince. We will talk to him.
Afam na wewe. Afam mzuri na wewe.
Afam Odogu. Dikeh. You are a true son of your father. You are welcome.
Thank you very much.
Afam, you are welcome. I believe you know why we summoned you here today. It's all about the problem you are having with the prince, who has interest in marrying your only sister, Suzanne. We, your uncles here, we want you to unveil the problem and let us see how we can settle it amicably.
My uncles, I greet you. I quite appreciate your concern towards this matter. But I want you to understand that there are matters that are meant to be settled by elders.
Yes.
While others can be self-settled. And there are others that are held for longevity's sake. This situation is best known to me, and I do not want to discuss it.
Thereby jeopardizing your sister's future.
Afam, if the prince marries your sister, Susan, someday, she will become a queen. And royalty flows in our family. Afam, think twice about it.
I do not want to discuss this matter again. Mom, you know it's been a long time I came to this village. And I still remember that Okoro always have fresh palm wine. So I would like to go and have some fresh palm wine. Once you're ready, call me so I can take you back.
Afam, sit down there. Nketala chagana. Nketala chakwa gada there. Huh? Okay. You want to go and drink my wine while we are here fooling ourselves up here?
Allow him to go.
No, excuse me. Stand up here. Stand up here. Once you're
ready.
Afam, sit down here. You are doing without stop.
Don't worry yourself.
Or because now from now.
Osondo, I have just told you, we will handle.
Chikolo, or Makana from now, go to happen.
Osondo,
or Makebo na ba, go to happen.
I will handle this.
So tell me, how have you been?
Fine. I have been doing great. Just that high hopes were shut down. But that's by the way.
Sincerely, Adana, we never knew that my brother already had someone he wanted to marry. But he told me that whenever he sees you, he would compensate you.
Compensate, Kai? I don't want any sentimental. All my life, I have never been that fooled until I met Uzo. Such is life.
It's okay.
I'm fine.
It's okay. Let's get this past behind us. I got you something. I got you gifts.
Gifts?
They are inside the car.
Oh my god!
And something else.
Oh, sorry. Can I talk? Hola!
Yes, that's
All
for
this
you.
for me?
Come on, you don't have to scream.
Hola, thank you so much.
What are friends for?
You're more than a friend!
I know, your sister, right?
Your sister.
You should give me a hug.
Come here. I love you.
I love you too, dear.
Wow.
Thank you so much. That's your jollof rice, that one now. You normally prepare. Is it available?
Oh, I thought you had forgotten.
I told you before coming now. I don't know. Please go and get it.
I will.
Thank you. Please.
Oh my god.
Thank you. Hayes, please get the gifts in the car. Yeah. Oh God.
My heart, my soul will never give up on love. Helene, mama. There's a change in the air, I know. There's a battle I must win. Helene, mama.
Afam, you are welcome. I want to thank you on behalf of my brothers for honoring our invitation. I believe you will open up to us now that your mother is not here. Maybe you do not want to open up while she was here because of her health condition. I want you to tell us the problem between you and the prince, so we can resolve it amicably. Okwanya?
My uncles, I still stand on my existing decision. Over my dead body with that prince marrying my sister.
Do you realize what you've just said? Do you know that we are your uncles? Your father's brothers? Oh, Afam, are you insane? Obieze, please, take it easy with him, little by little, please.
Alika, I am disappointed in you. If you do not have any other thing to say, you better keep quiet. Let him talk to us.
If you get nothing to say, just shut your mouth, or I take slap.
Even you?
It's okay, Osondo. Afam, what is the problem between you and the prince?
The problem is best known to me.
The problem is best known to you? I called you aside for us to talk in private. As your father's closest brother, I need to know what is going on. As per secrecy, count on me. What is the problem?
Uncle, I just don't like that prince. He will not marry my sister.
Do you know him before now?
Yes. We went to the same school.
My heart, my soul will never give up on love.
I will apologize to my kinsmen when this drama is over. I have disrespected them.
My prince, please don't be offended. Why are you worried? I know when you are happy. Is it because of your fiancé's brother?
Shut up.
What?
I said shut up and face your work. I've told you countless times not to talk to me when I'm unhappy.
I'm sorry, my prince. I thought I could be of your help.
It's okay. So sometimes you get on my nerves and I feel like flinging you out of the window.
I'm sorry, my prince.
It's alright, drive.
Okay, my prince.
can't be here. Ugum?
Yes, Your Highness.
You look so worried. In fact, you have worry reaching all over your face. What is the matter?
Your Highness, my son is no longer in his room. Have you seen him today?
But he came out and greeted me before going out.
Did he speak with you? Did he share his problem with you? Did you tell him what the problem is?
No. But what I saw was a young man undergoing a rebirth. Some kind of change.
You think so?
Yes.
Even I went to the princess' room. She's not there as well.
Ugum,
Your Highness.
you worry about every little thing. Learn to worry less. Okay?
I'll try.
Fine. I'm famished. Shouldn't we have lunch?
We should. Let me get something for you.
Very well.
Excuse me.
Thank you.
Now you look for?
Is Susan in?
Where will be?
I'm so sorry. I am Princess Ola.
What's going to happen?
I'm Prince Uzo's sister. Prince Uzo, who intends marrying Susan.
Intent? That's not intent. Intent, boy. That prince when they come here?
Yes.
Your brother? Hey, brother, you're welcome. Sorry, sorry. You're welcome. You come inside.
Thank you.
See, anywhere I match, you match them because of trap. Yeah. So.
This is how she has been ever since the prince visited. We forced her to bathe. We forced her to eat her food.
Same thing with my brother. What actually happened?
Ola, I will leave the both of you to talk. Please talk to her.
What happened the last time my brother visited?
I can't explain what this whole drama is all about. Your brother came and left. Ever since then, he stopped picking my calls. I have called him severally, yet he wouldn't take my calls. I don't know why. I haven't done anything wrong to him. I don't understand.
It's okay. It's okay, alright? I'll talk to him.
Please, you have to. You have to talk to him. I am deeply in love with him. I love him so much and he's hurting me so badly. I've not been myself.
It's okay. Come on. Dry your tears, alright? It's okay. I'll talk to him. Come on. Come on, give me a smile. Stop crying. Cheer up. Give me a smile. Try.
That one you pursue that day. I remember him, yes.
Whenever he comes here again, or you see him around the neighborhood, just let me know.
Wait, Oga. You mean say, if I see Prince, for any house when they around here, or he enter our compound, make I lock the gate, or join those people lock the gate. Come on.
Call me. You talk too much.
I don't hear you. This my guy said I won't tire for him. Every time you talk too much, go the answer and go the give me. By card, my will take call him.
Oh, Afam, you are back.
Yes.
How did it go?
It went well.
Are you not giving me any details?
Mom, I'm so tired. I need to have some rest.
Let me help you with your back, Trace, you know. Sometimes you be careful so you don't step on it, okay? It's beautiful. What's your car?
Oh, I came with a taxi. I can't let my people know that I was going out, and to make matters worse, stay out this long.
Really? It's okay then. Let me walk you up to the gate, okay?
Thank you.
Let's go. Ah, thank you so much for everything. Yes, what do we do?
Anya ejewe amata ndị ọgọ ka iri ike n'ụkwụ. Ah, Oga. Good afternoon, good morning. I'm sorry.
Who was that lady that just left the compound?
Don't come here just now. Okay. She said her name na Ola, Oga. What did she tell me? She said she be sister to that prince when they come here. You come see your sister. What did she talk?
Now listen to me. Whenever she comes here again, call me on phone. You hear me? Make sure you call me. Never you tell anyone about it.
Okay, Oga.
Get me?
No problem, Oga. Wait, Oga. He said make I call you for phone. And I no get money. I got up where you got the card. And me when they listen to Ram, I be mafia now. And the be like say this information when they talk safe. Mbanya information now. If I can't give them, I'll come be mafia now, ma. Mba.
Hello, mommy. Yes? Mom, I'm somewhere with my friends. No, I'm not smoking. Mommy, come on. What is it? Who? Dennis? Give him the phone, let me speak with him. Denoski, my man! That is your voice. So what's up now? Okay. I'll be on my way. My man! Denoski!
Chai. Man, and one of my goons way back. He's a family friend.
No wonder you're so excited. Tell us that.
Such is life, bro.
Now guys, I'll be leaving right away.
Drink deal. You go drink.
Drink on me. Drink for my body. After they go, make una just a drink. You know everything, guy. Man, I have to leave, man. Correct.
One love.
Yeah. Later now.
Mother, what's going on? Where is Susan? Is she not happy that I'm here?
Of course, she is.
Okay.
She'll soon be here. I just called her now.
Alright.
Dennis.
Mom.
I want you to do something for me.
Okay.
I want you to talk to Afam. Talk some sense into his head. That young man is not focused at all. Afam needs to do something useful with himself. He's a man. He needs to change his lifestyle. He needs to be serious in life.
Okay, no problem. I'll see to that.
Try as much as you can, please. Hi, Susan. How are you? What's the problem? Are you okay? Okay, don't worry.
Just having a slight headache, but I'll be fine. Yeah.
I need to wait for your mom to go inside so I can share your problems with you.
Problems? I do not have any problem.
You do, baby.
I'm fine.
No, you are not fine. This is not the happy Susanna used to know.
Well, if you insist, I'll tell you.
Okay.
You know, there comes a time in someone's life when he or she has to think about the future. Let's say I am thinking about my future. That's it.
That's right. Now I get you. Tomorrow will be better.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You have a way of making someone feel better. Always. It's a good virtue, you know.
That's nice. Thank you very much. And I like the way you smile.
Thank you. Why won't I smile with you by my side and with all these jokes? Please.
It's okay.
I will.
Yeah.
Have you had something?
No, I didn't do anything. So like I'm seeing you, I'm very, very okay.
Really?
Yes. Hey! My long guy goes here and they talk bado. What do you mean? Have you had something?
My guy, what's up now? Guy, what did happen now? Why you just push me like this in front of my small sister? Now you push me like this?
Afam, I'm ashamed of you.
Over what now?
How can a full-grown man like you be oozing and smelling of cigarettes? Are you a drunkard?
Oh, guy, leave me now. See, it's just a habit. Don't people smoke?
See, people do enjoy people in a responsible way, not like this.
Oh, guys, spare me this crap. Spare me this crap. It's my life. Allow me to enjoy it the way I want.
Oh, so you call this unorthodox lifestyle of yours a life, right? Look, go in there, freshen up and come out. I need to talk some sense to your head. In fact, we need to talk at length.
You be still my man. Oh, you bother me now. Why you do like this? We won't come out of it.
No, I don't like you with the fuck up. I like you with the fuck up.
The matter be say, where would they go now? See bottle.
Sorry, my girlfriend's elder brother. Can you just give me some minutes so I can see him, please?
Okay. But don't
Thank
stay
you.
long.
Sure.
Hi! Adanna, how are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm very well. It's been a while.
Yeah. Quite a while.
Whoa, good to see you. I just came here to, chill alone. It's a cozy place, so once in a while I just come around.
Yeah. Me too. So, how is Susan, your friends?
I can see you and Ola have been gossiping about me.
Apart from that, we are too matured. Just a normal talk.
I see. And I must say you're more beautiful now,
Thank you.
So why don't we just go...
Excuse me. I kept someone waiting. Yeah. See you some other time. Friends are double better, like I told you. So, hope you're...
It's okay. I'm cool.
Your Majesty. It's the original one from London.
Your Majesty.
Yes.
To what do we owe this wonderful hospitality you're giving to us, your subjects?
Your Majesty, you start talking. I can perceive that your heart is full of joy.
There is this saying that until the dragon is unleashed, you cannot determine the fate of a man. Yes, Your Majesty, we are inquisitive. Talk to us. What is going on?
I know. Ndiche. When a mind is perturbed, it is restless.
Yes.
But when a house is at peace with itself, it is a house full of milk and honey. My son, Prince Uzochukwu, is now a full-blown graduate.
That's correct.
And by that reason, he takes over the management of all my business concerns.
Oh, yeah,
Why don't we go over to the royal courtyard so that we can have a more sumptuous entertainment?
I trust you. What are you saying? Those big chicken that we used to...
Afam, I brought you out here so we can discuss one-on-one. Before the barman comes, let's discuss like brother. Afam, I want you to take resolutions over your life. You are a full-grown man. Afam, by now you should be the one managing your father's business, making money and take care of the family. But why is it not so?
Dennis, have you forgotten I'm a school dropout?
Afam, does that matter? What does that have to do with you reviving your father's business again?
Dennis, I have a cause I'm fighting. And when I'm done, I will see to that.
So that is your excuse? But remember, time not there again. You are no longer a kid. Make good use of your life. See, this thing we get there, this one. Make up. Now baby.
Well, I've heard you. No skill. See you. Way back, came to the house. Now you don't go make money, they drive different cars. Now you don't come when the thing don't ripe. You think so I don't know where you find come house. No skill.
Bad guy. Bad guy.
See this your eye.
My major point is that our son has regained his senses and back on track.
Yeah, of course. And that gladdens my heart.
But I think this is the right time to find out from him what actually happened to him.
Oh, my love, please don't go there. Bikonu, let sleeping dogs lie. For me, whatever my son should ask of, that I will do.
Can say that again. Whatever you want to do for him, go ahead.
Okay.
Because I am solidly behind you.
I know.
Full support.
I know. My love.
Yes, dear.
Stop! It's like I'm in the right frame of mind for...
For what? Please, I am feeling sleepy. Just leave me alone.
A little tickle.
Leave me alone. Stop! Just leave me. Let me sleep.
A little.
Let me sleep. Old man that doesn't know his old.
Hello, Adana. Good morning.
Hello, girlfriend. Good morning. And how is my princess doing?
I am fine. How are you too?
Splendid. I just got to know how you're doing.
Thank you, my dear. That's so thoughtful of you.
You're welcome.
Now you called. So gist me. How is your Chika?
He's fine. We actually went on our first date. And guess who interrupted?
You know I'm not good with that now. Just tell me already.
Okay. Prince Uzo, your brother.
But I hope that wasn't a problem to the guy you went out with.
That one? Not really. Just that I noticed something.
You noticed something? Tell me, what's that? What did you notice?
Your brother was admiring me.
Did you say my brother was admiring you? The brother that I know does not go back.
Okay. But I know what I saw.
Anyway, Adana, I was actually making up before you called me. I was dressing to go out. So when I'm back, I will call you. You come to the house. You need to finish this gist. You see this gist now? You must finish it for me.
Alright, girlfriend. Take care.
Take care of yourself. I'll call you later.
Take care. Bye. Hola. Aha.
Scapo. I told you. I warned you, my guy. You the feel so you had. You did show yourself. The pass my guy, they show yourself. Huh? I go tell you saying I may be ruggedity. Listen to me. If you cough again for this campus, even if you cough here, guy, I go run you. I go put you behind bars for the rest of your life. Try me.
So why are you crying?
No, sorry, I just remembered something.
Is it about Susan?
No, it's personal.
Why is it that none of you wants to say anything? Neither you nor Susan.
Did you speak with Susan? Did you go to her place?
Yes, I did.
Did you see her elder brother?
No, but I learned he came in just before I left.
Don't go there again, please.
Why?
I hope that's not what you're dressed for.
No. Why all these questions?
I'm your elder brother, Ola. Just listen to me this once. Do not go there until I tell you it is safe to.
Uzo, you know if you don't tell me what's going on, I'll definitely find out, right? Anyway, that's not the reason I'm here. I'm here because of Adana.
Adana? Did you talk with her? Okay, you're going to her place. Fine. You can go to Adana's house. You can talk about me with her. You can, get along with her and...
Are you falling for her again? Uzo.
Hola.
Uzo.
Hola.
Interested.
What?
Interesting.
You have to go to your room now, you know that.
From my uncles, I'm very happy that you were here to honor this invitation. Yes, I want you to come to the city, come to our house. I believe this will help remedy the situation that has been around. So, this is 5,000. You can make use of it for the transport.
My heart, my soul, we never give up on love. Helene, Helene, mama. There's a change in the air, I know. There's a battle I must win. Can you hear me? Helene, Helene, mama. Mama. Helene, Helene, mama. Mama. Helene, Helene, mama. Helene, oh, oh, oh. Helene, Helene, mama. Mama. Helene, Helene, mama.
This is for you.
Have you called your mother?
Yes, she's coming.
Hey, man, I greet you all. What a surprise.
No, I do not aware where we're going. Where are they?
Oh, they are here now. They are here. Let me go and welcome them in. Mom, if you don't mind, join me.
Join what? Nine. What's going on?
But, well, just relax. Let's wait and see.
I can cry for love, I can fight for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. I can fight for love, I can cry for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. Even every time that you call, I'll be there for you. Even every time that you want me, I'll be there. I will cry for love, I will fight for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. I will fight for love, I will cry for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love.
Ndeba kwenu. Kwenu. Kwenu.
You are welcome. As my brothers sent me, so shall I do it. Our people say that you don't see a toad for nothing's sake in the daytime. It is either the toad is in pursuit of something or something is in pursuit of the toad. You are brought before us, placed on the table, drinks. And my brothers said I should ask from you, to what do we accept these drinks?
Yeah. My people, I greet you.
Thank you, you're welcome.
You have spoken very well. As you can see, we didn't just come, we came prepared. Our son here told us he saw a treasure in your house. And that is why we're here. To seek your daughter's hand in marriage.
She'll be fine. I think she's not really prepared with her mind. Yes, she will get over it very soon. And my in-laws, please, everything will be fine. But in the meantime, we can actually take some drinks. Let me get glasses first. I'm coming. Hey, my in-laws.
Alika, what's on?
Mommy, what's the meaning of that? What was the meaning of that madness he put up there? Is something wrong with him?
This is wrong. Very wrong. Has Dennis spoken about relationship to you before?
Not at all. Not even for once, mother. Not at all. I mean, what's the meaning of all this?
So what do we do now?
I mean, how can you be asking me that kind of question? Obviously, they were going back from wherever they came from. I'm not interested. What's all this? Mother, you know I'm in love with someone. The prince. I love him so much and my heart belongs to him. Please, I'm not interested. And I can never be. Never. You should let me be. Mommy, please, you have to go and warn your son. Let him stay away from me.
Calm down, oh? Calm down.
What is all this? What?
I can cry for love, I can fight for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. I can fight for love, I can cry for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. Every time that you call, I'll be there for me. Every time that you want me, I'll be there. I will cry for love, I will fight for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. I will fight for love, I will cry for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. Every time that you call, I'll be there for you. Every time you call, I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be
Nine, please. I hope you are not angry with us for what happened last night.
Norma, your son came to us that he wants us on ground as their father during Susan's introduction. Even though he did not do well, my instinct tells me he meant well for the family. Nevertheless, things like this happen.
Nani, Dennis has been a very good person to us. But I wonder why he didn't tell me anything about it.
Norma, we are not angry with you. Besides, Afam has taken care of our transportation, being our coming and you are going out.
It's okay then.
Open, the door is not locked.
So good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you too?
I'm very well.
Okay, Daddy's calling you.
Okay, tell him I'm coming.
Alright.
Why is he calling me?
I don't have an idea. He just needs your presence.
Okay, tell him I'm coming. I'll join him soon.
Alright, see you.
Sent for me.
Uzochukwu.
Yes, Dad?
When a camp nerve
waits for too long over a disturbing issue, it naturally becomes agitated.
True that.
Some time ago, you brought a lady to this palace. A girl whom you say pleases your heart. You engaged her. Uzochukwu, where is she?
She's in her father's house.
Recently, you started displaying certain behavior which I overlooked, thinking that you were preparing your mind towards becoming a man. When I raised concern, you said you needed a little more time.
Yes, Father.
Uzochukwu.
Dad.
Ogini Neme. What is happening?
Nothing. I just think I still need a little more time.
Uzochukwu, you are my son. My only son. I am your father. You can talk to me. Uzochukwu, you can confide in me, whatever it is. I can help you to sort out anything. Do you understand?
Yes, Dad. If there be any need for me to talk to you.
You may leave.
All right, Dad. Thank you.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? How can you invite your uncles from the village to the city and make a fool of them? You did not even discuss it with us. If it were to be your father, he wouldn't do that without due process. What kind of a successor are you trying to become? Afam, how can you do things at the expense of people's feelings? At the detriment of others, Afam?
Mom, whatever I did is for our own good.
You are talking rubbish, nonsense, Afam. In as far as I'm concerned, you just ripped off yourself the respect you once had. Yes. Have you gone so agitated that you forgot the traditional rudiments of marriage? Afam, how can you plan marriage without your sister's consent? Tell me, how?
Mom, you should be able to know me more than this. There is more to it than you think.
Then talk to me. Talk to me, I am your mother. Afam, I know there is nothing you will not tell me, so talk to me now. Afam, what is happening to you, my son? Afam, talk to me.
Susan, do you really think I hate you? Not at all. I know you've got my back always. But I want you to know that I truly care about you. Believe me.
You care about me, yet you hurt me so much. You care about me, yet you chased away the only man that I've ever loved. What kind of care is that? I'm asking you.
I did chase him away. Uzo is not who you think he is. He is not a good person. He had to run away for his dear life. My dear sister, marry the man that has come to marry you. He is not the right man for you. Dennis is better than the prince, who is a wolf in sheep's clothing.
I'm begging you. Don't kill me, please. Forgive me, please. I'll give you fortunes. I beg you, please don't. Don't. I'm sorry, please. Please don't.
You made my life miserable. I can't count.
I can cry for love, I can fight for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. I can fight for love, I can cry for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. It's every time that you call, I'll be there for you. It's every time that you want me, I'll be there.
Afam, what were you doing in my room?
Where are you coming from this morning?
You have no right whatsoever to ask me that question. We are not in talking terms. Please, give me a space.
Hey, I only came to check on you. Just in case you're still seeing that boy. Now listen to me, Susan. The earlier you realize you're not going to marry Uzo, the better for you. That boy is a father, a concierge of death.
Excuse me.
I can cry for love, I can fight for love. The moment you called, the reason I came is because of love. I can fight for love, I can cry for love. The moment you called, the reason I came is because of love. Even every time that you call, I'll be there for you. Even every time that you want me, I'll be there. I will cry for love, I will fight for love.
Hello. Yeah. Where? Listen, you have to be very careful. My brother is around. Yes.
I can cry for love, I can fight for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. I can fight for love, I can cry for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love.
I'm inside the car on your left.
Every time that you call, I'll be there for me. Every time that you want me, I'll be there. I will cry for love, I will fight for love. The moment you call, the reason I
Ima! Where is my sister?
Sister? Because she's not there inside.
I said, where is my sister?
Oh, man. She's there inside.
Are you stupid? You know Chris? Did the prince come here?
Prince?
What did I tell you about the prince? I said, what did I tell you about the prince? Are you stupid? Come here! Come here! Come here! Hey, come here! Yeah, now! You want me to kill you now? Eh?
Hey! Oga! Hey! Walk again. This month, even for this last one, I don't walk again. Don't give my salary, I don't walk again. Hey! Okay. Hi! You not come talk. Book your open. Hey! I don't know what I know. Hey!
understand you these days. Why all this drama? First of all, you ran away from my brother. You stopped taking my calls. And now you're resisting me? What's going on?
I'm in a very dark place now. My past has come calling. A lot is going on with me now that I never thought would reappear. I'm sorry, but we can't continue with this relationship.
But what? Aren't we getting married anymore? What are you saying?
It's heavy for me to say, but as things stand now, we can't get married.
That is never possible. It will never ever be possible. Baby, I love you. You can't say that to me. I am pregnant for you. You can't do this to me.
You're what?
I'm pregnant.
No.
What do you mean no?
No.
Don't tell me that. I am pregnant for you and this is the proof. This is the test results.
What are you saying? Not at this time. No.
I'm pregnant. I love you, baby. You can't leave me. You can't. That's the proof. I am pregnant.
No.
Listen, my love, you can't do this to me.
No. This can't. No.
But I am.
No.
What do you mean no?
No.
Oh my God. Hola.
Huh?
Hey. You mean you came to visit me without a car?
Yes.
You even drove yourself?
Yes, I did drive myself. Do I always have to move around with a guard? Please, I set out today to be a free day for myself. And I'm going to visit all my friends, both old and new ones. And you, Adana, you're my very special friend, so I came to visit you.
You teasing me?
No, I'm not teasing. Why did I tease you now?
I'm blushing.
Please.
Let me get a seat.
Adana, I'm fine here. You just sit down.
My friend. You're looking good.
Oh, you too. Thank you.
So, tell me, who is the next person you're visiting? Because I want to accompany.
Adana, where I'm going to right now, you can't follow me.
Why?
I'm going to Uzo's fiance's house.
So? Hola. She doesn't know me. Besides, I have moved on.
You have moved on? I don't want a situation whereby you go there and then you start feeling all jealous.
That one is a forgotten issue.
Okay, if you say so. You can go get dressed.
Okay, just wait for me, let me get dressed.
Okay, please get me water.
Alright.
I was sweet, can you hear me? My heart, my soul will never give up on love.
Bro, what is eating you up?
A problem shared is a problem outside.
Talk to Ross.
I have a mission to execute and you know it. But how to go about it is my greatest challenge right now. Tracking down the guy that led to the death of my brother. But nobody would give me clues. Nobody. I bought a gun as regard that, and it's becoming useless in my hand.
What do you want us to do?
Give me clues! I need itineraries to work with. Give me that. Give me.
If I say make I call Morgan now. First man no call him. Think go use him mafia hand. Go knock me. And me go come tell do that mafia work. If I call him now, he go promote me. For mafia now. To mafia now ma. Go better me I call him. Make I call him. Hello, Oga.
Ima, what is it? Wait.
Oga, that prince, when they come house well, they come find your sister. Her sister dey inside with your mama. I say, Mark, I tell you.
Where my sister dey?
Sister not there. Oga, this is that time you see your sister come out. She never come back. Never come back. I never see him.
Ima, you know what you go do for me now? Hope nobody did their way as they call me. God. See ya.
I beg you, don't kill me, please. Please.
I know you would want me to take off the gag so you can see me. But for now, you can't see me.
Who are you? Who are you? What have I done wrong? Why did you kidnap me?
The sins of the father come upon the children, and even the fourth generation.
Please, please, I beg you, please don't hurt me. Don't harm me, please.
I won't if your father complies. Your father is a strong king that cannot be summoned. He has a tight security around his palace. He even has secret policemen guiding the palace in disguise on Mufti. That I know. Your father is a strong man. But I will summon him. And if he fails to come, then I will think of what to do with you.
No, please. Please, I beg you in the name of God, please.
Sit down!
Honestly, I don't know what it is that is making me behave like this. Oh baby, I want you to know that I love you. I love you so much, so deeply. All I want you to do for me now is to be with me. Hold me, touch me. I want to feel you. From now till tomorrow morning, I will be fine. Please. That is all I want from you.
No. I can't. I must go home. You know my position now in the palace.
How would I know? Will you have kept a distance from me? How would I know? Baby, please don't do this to me. I need you around me. I do not want to go home now. Afam is my worst nightmare in that house. Please. Be with me, please.
Don't you have respect for tradition? Why are you at the palace gate?
I'm so sorry, but I have to see the king at once, please.
You can never enter this palace except the king says so.
I know, it's very urgent. It's a matter of life and death. I have to see the king at once, please.
Excuse me.
What is it?
Princess Allah's friend Adana, she's at the gate.
What does she want?
She says she wants to see the king, and it is a matter of life and death.
You know the king doesn't go back to his vomit. But since it's a matter of life and death, you just wait here.
Long live your highness, King of Umuagu Kingdom.
Rise.
Your highness, the lady you sent out of the palace, who was barking like a dog, is at the gate demanding to see you.
No one summons the king of Umuagu. What does she want?
I do not know, my queen, but she said it's a matter of life and death.
I still insist. Nobody summons the king of Umuagu.
Ugom, it's okay. It's not a summoning. It's still within the palace walls. Okay. Let her in.
Yes.
My heart, my soul will never give up on love. Helele, helele, mama. There's a change in the air.